Hello and welcome to this place on the internet. And my name is Selin Bilgin. I am the founder of Luscious Living, where personal growth meets wellness. And I am also a registered holistic nutritionist or a certified holistic nutrition consultant. Really depends on where you live in the world. And I am here to serve you. I have gone through the many challenges of hormone imbalance where I had my period 4 times in a month, and other months I would have it for 2 times a month. Okay, I have overcome an eating disorder, anxiety, depression, being on sleeping pills when I was 16. You'll learn all about it, but that's really not as important as it is for you to be here, for you to be served by me and any of the content that I produce for you on personal development, on communication, on spirituality. So, welcome. I'm really glad that you're here. I'm really glad to take this journey with you and share everything that I have learned on my journey as well. Okay, so thank you for being here. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.